Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to permanently delete your Hotmail account. If you've been thinking about removing your Hotmail for good, this step-by-step guide will make it super simple. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook login page. You can just search Outlook login or enter the URL directly. Click sign in and enter your Hotmail email along with your password. Make sure you're using the account you want to delete because this process is permanent. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Microsoft account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage everything linked to your Hotmail. Now, go to the Your Info tab and scroll down until you see Close Account. Click it. Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity using your email or phone number. Carefully read the warnings. It will tell you that deleting your account is permanent and you'll lose emails, contacts, and access to all linked Microsoft services. If you're sure, follow the steps to complete the deletion. Before you proceed, make sure to back up any important emails or files. Procedures may change over time, so it's always a good idea to check Microsoft's official help center for the latest updates. And that's it. Your Hotmail account is now scheduled for permanent deletion. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.